One of Portugal's most picturesque cities is Coimbra, which was once the capital of the country during the 13th century and is situated in the center of the country between Porto and Lisbon. The city of Coimbra has a lot to offer, including one of Europe's oldest universities, a rich history and stunning structures. Coimbra is also a bustling commercial center with a plethora of shops, boutiques and a delectable selection of cafes and restaurants. The city is also known for its university, which is one of the oldest in Europe, and it is a relaxed place to visit with plenty of great bars and restaurants to enjoy. Coimbra provides an authentic Portuguese experience away from the crowds and is well worth a visit. A captivating city with a lot to offer, its enticing blend of history, culture and art makes for an irresistible and unforgettable trip. Coimbra is a great city to live in because it has the most dining options and the busiest nightlife in central Portugal. Due to the fact that the park was created in 1938, in addition to the abundance of miniature monuments from Portugal, the rest of the world is also represented by sites from former Portuguese colonies. If you're traveling with kids, the Portugal dos Pequenitos is a great place to check out because a small train also passes through its grounds. The neighborhood of Portugal dos Pequenitos is known for its miniature versions of the nation's most recognizable landmarks. Kids can learn about the foundations of Portuguese culture at this entertaining and instructive location and also take pictures of favorite miniature buildings as well as identify these replicas of renowned buildings and structures. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Coimbra is known as the university capital of Portugal. For more than a century, it served as the nation's medieval capital. Coimbra is a fascinating tourist destination because of the interaction of its ancient history and modern student ideals. Intimate fado performances in Coimbra, authentic Portuguese cuisine, or getting sucked into a crazy student tradition are just a few of the unusual travel experiences available in the city of Coimbra. Each year, a traditional fair with an amusement park and lots of entertainment is held in Coimbra between the 1st and 17th of July. Enjoyable family time can be had in the most ideal setting by doing this. Many different attractions are available here, including a Ferris wheel, carousels, bumper cars, circus and fire shows, popular marches, stands with Coimbra handicrafts, various taverns serving traditional food, stages, and so much more. Coimbra is still among the most enchanting locations in the whole country. It is a hub of student activity, has a ton of bars and festivals, and is home to UNESCO designated buildings that date all the way back to the Roman era. Due to its medieval palaces and Baroque university district, The downtown core is stunning and are fit for postcards, while the surrounding area is full of mountains, hills, wild swimming lakes, and rustic villages aplenty.